In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate HTML with Grok AI. By the end, you'll know how to request clean, ready-to-use HTML for pages, forms, and landing sections in just a few minutes. First, open Grok in your web browser or launch the Grok app, then log into your account. Starting from a fresh session helps keep things organized, so once you're in, create a new chat. Clicking New Chat gives you a clean slate and makes it easier for Grok to focus on your current HTML task without pulling in anything from previous conversations. Gist, describe exactly what HTML you want Grok to generate. In the message box, be as clear and specific as possible. You could say, create a simple HTML page with a header, paragraph, and footer. Or, generate a responsive HTML form with name, email, and message fields. Or even, write HTML for a landing page with sections for about, services, and contact. Think about 3 things as you type: the overall layout and sections you need, the content or placeholders you want included, and any styling hints, such as colors, fonts, and alignment. If you want a mobile-friendly layout, mention responsiveness. If you prefer semantic tags like header, nav, main, section, and footer, spell that out. You can even call out accessibility details like labels for form inputs and descriptive alt text. Quick heads up while we're here, I've placed the official website link for Grok right at the top of the description so you can access it directly. If you prefer using the app, you'll also find the download link at the top of the description. When your prompt is ready, press enter to submit it. Grok will generate the HTML code in a neatly formatted code block, so it's easy to read and copy. If the first version isn't perfect, refine your prompt with precise tweaks like add a hero section, switch to a 2-column layout, or use a light background with dark text. Iterating in the same chat helps Grok stay in context and produce better results. Once you're satisfied with the output, click inside the code block and copy it. You now have clean HTML ready to use. As a quick tip, scan for placeholder text you may want to update, and consider previewing the result in your browser to confirm everything displays as expected, especially on different screen sizes. That's how you generate HTML with Grok AI step by step. If this was helpful, don't forget to check the top of the description for the official website and the app download links. Thanks for watching, and happy building!